So this Lutron switch started doing this about a week ago. It never did it before. It's about 4 years old, 3 or 4 years old, and it's just doing this now. Comes on, turns off. Comes on, turns off. It's just doing that on its own. I did find this, that if I turn it off, oh, let me catch it when it's working, I guess. Yeah. If I catch it, I can turn it off. And then if I just push it once, nope, it's going to turn off. Because once goes all the way up then. So I have to go, let me catch that again. Okay, that turns it off. Okay, then let's see. How did I figure that out the other day? If I manually go up, yeah, if I manually go all the way up, it shuts off. If I go up just to, no, if you go up to the last one, it shuts off. So let's go up here, and we'll go up to like the 9th position. Nope. Okay, there you go. Yeah. If I go to there, it'll be okay. And then if I shut it down, it goes all the way off. Now let's see what happens when I turn it back on. Does it go full all the way up? Yep. All the way up and quits. All the way up and quit. Oh, there you go. Huh. Weird. Yeah, but this switch has been failing. Ironically, that switch, totally different, completely different brand. That one, we've been in the house 9 years. Oh, there it just shut off. It just did it again. Goes up to the top and shuts off. So that switch is failing. But let's see if I can catch it, if I can turn it down. Let's go up just to there. Let's see if that stays on now. This switch, we've been in the house 9 years. I probably put the first one in about 7 years ago. And then this timer, which is really nice for the fan in the bathroom, works great. But the previous identical switch failed probably, I don't know, 3 years ago. And then this is a replacement, an identical replacement woods from Menards. And this one so far has been working good. I think about three years, I'd say. Maybe 4 years now this one's been in, and no problem with that. But this has been in about 3, maybe 4 years. All these switches have. Oh, and ironically too, this used to have, that light used to light up. It doesn't anymore. So 2 Lutron, let's see if I can get that. Legrand. Oh, is that what these are? That is 2? Yeah, Lutron. Lutron for that one. So out of the 4 switches, Lutron is failing now. Legrand, light quit working after 3 or 4 years, maybe more. Maybe this one's probably been in for about 6 or 7 years. And then that light finally quit. Or finally, I didn't expect it to ever quit. It's probably an LED and should work forever and ever. And then this guy failed. So I don't know. Done a lot of light switches in the house, and a lot of light switches, and everything works fine as it should. Kitchler, Legrand works fine. Does it have a light? Nope, it does not. And these 2 Lutrons both work as they're supposed to. No problems with these. We use these like every day. This is dining room, and 2 here, and these seem to work okay. No problem. For the living room, can lights and center light, and this works good. But yeah, but these in the bathroom, for whatever reason, they've got good grounds, There's no problem with the ground. I tore this cover plate off and looked at the grounds on all these, and they're fine, and all the screws were tight. So I don't know what's going on, but this guy is not happy if you run him all the way up. Let's see if I turn him down. And if I just push it once, it goes back up to where it was preset. It's not the full bright, but it's probably good. Nope. Yep, you go up one too many and it's too much. Let me catch that. And then go up just to there, and then it'll be okay. It's not full, but it's one down. Yeah, so Lutron, need probably a replacement for that if it's still under warranty. Thanks for watching.